Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing something a little bit festive. Today we are going to be making a pampas grass Christmas tree. So if your home is that boho kind of vibe and you just want to add a little extra touch, and honestly say you don't even have a Christmas tree, you could definitely use this as a Christmas tree. If you have a small space, it is going to be a fairly small Christmas tree, so this just might be perfect for you. But either way, it will add a little extra spice to your living room, your dining room, anywhere you choose to put this Christmas tree. And again, it works for the boho kind of vibe. So let's get right into it. The pampas grass I definitely got from my backyard. We did not purchase this online or anything like that. Luckily, I back onto a ravine, so I'm able to just pick up, the wildlife that's back there. So it was great. It's free, super cost effective. So let's get right into this video. All right, so what you're gonna need are, of course, some pampas grass, wire cutters, some floral wire, or even if you have some jewelry wire that's not too thick of a gauge, then you'll be fine, but some floral wire. I'm using gold. And of course, a floral cone or a styrofoam cone that you can get at arts and crafts stores. I got mine from Michael's. I think you could probably get it at the dollar store, but a floral cone that is of a decent size. So we are here. I have added the pieces and did the wire. So I'm going to show you again in an up close how exactly I did the wire wrapping, and it's honestly not perfect. It's a little shaky, maybe because the wire is a little too pliable, so I probably should have used a stronger wire, but it will make do. And honestly, if you really wanted, you could also use some glue to make it perfect, but we're gonna stick with the wire for now. And a piece that is long enough, we're gonna give it a clip right here. I'm kind of starting with longer pieces up at the top and doing shorter ones along the bottom and just having the stem a little bit longer. So that's what we are gonna start with. So I'm just gonna put it here, and I'm putting it in the direction that it falls, so that it falls like, like a tree. So we're gonna put this here, and then we're just gonna make sure that we have our piece of wire. I don't know if you guys can see that, but we're gonna make sure that we have our piece of wire cut already. We're gonna start putting the wire in just right into the styrofoam. It goes in pretty easy. And then we are going to wrap the wire around. We're gonna wrap it around the pampas grass and kind of create like a really taut wrap. And wrap it around. We're gonna wrap around, and then we are going to stick the wire. We're gonna stick the wire. I don't even think you guys can see that, but we're gonna stick the wire right back into the styrofoam to kind of like lock it in place. And there we go. Perfect. Great. Awesome. So again, we are gonna make some cuts. And don't mind me, honestly, when I talk and work, I'm so scatterbrained, so my train of thought is not going to be the clearest, but that is okay. Hopefully you guys can follow along. So we're just gonna grab some more pieces and kind of work our way down. So we're gonna work our way down literally like how a pine tree falls. So it's shorter at the top and then it comes out like almost like a skirt. So that is what we are going to do. And I'm cutting the pieces on an angle so that it can stick into the styrofoam pretty nicely. So we are all done. She is complete. As you can see here, I'm just gonna add some lights. I might be able to add some ornaments to it. We shall see, but there it is. Ta-da! Isn't it so pretty? So there you guys have it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, once again, thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Of course, most importantly, subscribe so you can see all my other videos. And again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.